So for the first scenario, sacral pressure ulcer excision with primary closure. This procedure should be reported with which code? In the CPT index, you're going to look up the excision, ulcer, pressure, sacral, and then you're going to be given a range of codes 15931 and then 15933 to 15937. So you're going to read all those code selections and then you're going to choose 15931, and that would be the CPT code for this scenario. The next scenario was repairing of a 5.3 centimeter superficial wound of the neck. This procedure would be reported with what code? In the CPT index, you're going to look up wound, repair, neck, simple, and then it's going to give you some codes 12001, 12002, 12004 through 12007. You're going to read all the descriptions in the tabular, and the correct CPT code is 12002. The next scenario is an incision and drainage of pilonidal cyst. This procedure would be reported with what code? So in the CPT index, you're going to look up excision, cyst, skin, pilonidal, and you're given the codes 10080 and 10081. You're going to read both of those code descriptions in the tabular and select 10080 as the correct CPT code. The next one is destruction of malignant lesion measuring 3.2 centimeters by neurosurgery. So this procedure would be reported with what code? In the CPT index, you're going to look at destruction, then lesion, skin, malignant, and you're given the codes of 17260 to 17286. And based on the size of the lesion, the CPT code is 17260. The next one is patient underwent a complete mastectomy. This procedure would be reported with what code? So in the CPT index, you're going to look at masectomy, and then simple, and then complete. The CPT code for this is 19303.